Hey guys, I'm Asia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a half and half split t-shirt. So if you want to see how to do that, then just keep on watching. This tutorial is super quick and super easy to do, so I'm going to show you right now how I did it. So the first thing I did was grab two shirts and I made sure that they were the exact same size. After that, I folded both shirts in half and I cut them lengthwise. After that, I flipped both shirts inside out, and starting with the front part of the shirt, I pinched the two fabrics together and then I pinned them down and I sewed along that line. Once that part of the shirt was sewn down, I flipped the shirt to the back end and I repeated the exact same process, just pinched the two fabrics together, pinned them down, and sewed them into place. And it's really just as easy as that, guys. So here is the final result.